Hi everybody, this is Toy Boy. I just got a new toy. It's called Tokyo Mater 3-pack. I got it from Walmart. So, as you can see, we get Tokyo Mater, Teki, and Manji. So let's open it up. So this is Tokyo Mater. Look at this Japanese writing. It also has some stickers on both sides. Look at those chrome wheels. I especially like its carbon fiber wing. And look at its special gray toe. Let's compare it to regular Mater. Almost the same. So let's take a look at Teki. There you are. Wow. He looks extra angry. Let's look at Manji. Ooh, look at the nice designs. Whoa. Look who came. Big Mac. Let's all get in and let's go race with McQueen. Oh, too big. Oh. Now we're in. Let's close the door. Go to the races.